Good students, today I will teach you about place values and face value of the given digits as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. These are 9 digits. All numbers are depend on these 9 digits, but these digits are completely free, not depend other. Okay, students? Here, before we know about what is place values and face value of the given digits. Here, place value or place. Okay, student? Position of the digits, the position of the digits, in the number the position of the digits in the number is called place, as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and so on. Place. This is the place value 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Okay, student? Here, place value, face value. Face of the digits. Face value. What is face value? Okay. Name of the digit. Name of the digit. Name of the digit. Digit is called face. Face value. Face value as digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This name is called face value. 0, face value of 0, face value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name of the digits is called face value as this. And after this, place value. Place values. The multiplication of the multiplication of face value and place is called place value. As 7 to 538. Okay, student. Here face value of 8 and place value ones. 8 into 1 is called a face value. Okay, student. Here we write this. Okay, face value place value here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, face value of 8, place value 1. Here place, which place? 8 is 1's place. Then place into face value is equal to place value. And 3 is face and it's on the place tens. Then multiply in 10. We get the value of 30. Okay, and after this here 5, face 5 on which place? 100 place. Then multiply in this 100 place. Then face value multiply in place, that is called a place value. Okay, and after this two place value. Here given number is here this number. Place value, face of 2 1000. Place 1000, 1, 10, 100, 1000. Then face multiply in place is called place value. Okay, After this 7. On which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. 7 multiply in 10,000 place. Okay, students. Then we get here then this type of numbers write in face value, place and place values on this basis. Okay, students? Place value and face value, right? On this basis, I give you some example. Example, write the face value, place and place value of the given number as A, B, six. Okay, student, and okay, student. Write given numbers, all numbers face value, place value and place values of the given numbers. Okay, of the given underlined number, of the given underline number as here 8, okay, students. These questions after solving you send for checking. Okay, students. Thank all of you.